Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a personal AI assistant that understands and responds to your every command, without having to type or speak a single word? If so, you're not alone. Advances in NLP, natural language processing technology, have made it possible for AI assistants to understand the meaning and context behind human language, and respond in a way that feels natural and intuitive. One of the most exciting developments in this field is the emergence of silent speech technology, which allows users to communicate with their AI assistant without making any audible sounds. Instead, this technology uses sensors to detect and interpret the subtle muscle movements and electrical signals that occur when we think about speaking, allowing us to control our devices with nothing more than our thoughts. The potential applications of this technology are virtually limitless. For individuals with disabilities or conditions that affect their ability to speak or move, silent speech technology could provide a lifeline to the outside world, allowing them to communicate and interact with others in a natural way. It could also revolutionize the way we interact with our devices, making it possible to control them without ever having to pick up a phone or type on a keyboard. One of the most promising applications of silent speech technology is in the field of virtual and augmented reality. By allowing users to control their devices with their thoughts, it could provide a much more immersive and intuitive VR/AR experience, allowing users to interact with virtual objects and environments in a way that feels natural and intuitive. Of course, like any emerging technology, there are still many challenges that need to be overcome before silent speech technology can become widely adopted. One of the biggest challenges is developing sensors that are sensitive and accurate enough to detect the subtle muscle movements and electrical signals that occur when we think about speaking. Another challenge is developing algorithms that can interpret these signals and translate them into meaningful commands that our devices can understand. Despite these challenges, however, there is no doubt that silent speech technology holds tremendous promise for the future of human-computer interaction. As NLP technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more and more applications of this exciting technology in the years to come.